first on 5 tonight, a jury has found Marco Perez guilty of capital murder for shooting and killing Mobile police officer Sean Tudor in 2019. Now that same jury will determine Perez's fate. He will either be put to death or he will spend the rest of his life in prison without the possibility of parole.
WKRG News 5's Jeremy Jones has been in the courtroom and he brings us the latest developments. Jeremy, Tudor's family took the stand, telling jurors how his death has impacted their lives.
Yeah, that's true, Pete and Roseanne. Family members of Mobile police officer Sean Tudor fought back tears this afternoon as they explained how Tudor's murder completely changed their lives forever. Today's conviction means the jury is deciding between two sentences, death and life without parole. As the sentencing phase got underway, Tudor's widow spoke about the moment she learned her husband had been shot and killed at the Peach Place Inn in 2019. She said, quote, in the courtroom, "It changed everything for me and who I am as a person." Now, Tudor was working undercover the day of the shooting, and he was trying to arrest Perez as part of a gun trafficking investigation. And during the trial, the defense tried to argue the shooting was self-defense, and that Perez didn't know Tudor was an officer on duty. Now, the penalty hearing will continue tomorrow morning, starting around 9 a.m. Reporting live in Government Plaza, Jeremy Jones, WKRG News 5.